Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. On the Doge chart, we've seen, a pullback in what I think could be a wave 4, a micro wave 4, and we're still in the larger third wave. Okay, so we wanna talk about that. Looking at the bigger picture first, so everybody's on the same page. The idea is that a larger degree wave 2 bottomed in June last year. We haven't seen a proper 5-wave move up. It looks more like a 3-wave move in which we had an A, B, C structure in wave A, then a B wave pullback, also in 3 waves, and then a 5-wave move in wave C of a larger A wave, because it's only a 3-wave move. So a first 3-wave move turned into a larger 3-wave move. Based on that, we could identify the relevant support region for a B wave pullback between 11.1 cents and 7.4. The price dipped into the middle of this support region, basically touched the lower boundary line of the trend channel, and is now moving towards the upper boundary line of the trend channel. That's good. We also broke above this initial red trend line, which was a possible breakout setup. I will take that off the chart now. We want to keep the chart as clean as possible. And basically, it's now all about, okay, have we finished this B wave? That means we could be in a larger C wave rally to the upside, which could take us into the 30-cent region. That would be wave C of a larger third wave. So, but that's a 5-wave move. And to confirm that we've bottomed in wave B, we need a first smaller degree, smaller time frame, 5-wave pattern, because as per Elliott wave guidelines, rules of market structure, we need a 5-wave move up. And it's not only Elliott wave. I mean, we need a series of higher highs, higher lows to indicate a trend has changed, right? And that's what a 5-wave move is. We only see 3 waves so far. And for my own guidelines, ideal guidelines for a third wave indicate that the third wave should reach 13.25 cents. Well, we haven't done that. In the last update I highlighted to you, it would be ideal if in this third wave, so we have an initial rally, which was wave 1, but too small to tell us really anything, then a higher low in wave 2. This could be the third wave, but it would need to reach the 0.1325 USD level, so 13.25 cents. If it doesn't even get there, it's not a reliable third wave. Technically speaking, we could put the third here, but one more high would be ideal. Then I will add a support for wave 4, and we can watch for wave 5, which should reach 13.9, 14.4, or even 15.1 cents. So I just need that 5-wave pattern. Idea is at the moment that this is that we're now working on that third wave, basically wave 5 of C of 3. It's a diagonal pattern, all of this, which is why the third wave is an ABC structure. The 5th wave, therefore, should also be an ABC structure, and there is structural resistance in the area around 12.9 cents. Alternatively, wave 3 already topped. That would be an alternative, but I would not trust this scenario. So 1, 2, let me change the wave degree. It could be like that. Change it to white. Okay, that would be an alternative. And then we're already in the 4th wave. And this could be an ABC in a larger 4th, but I wouldn't trust this because the third wave was not strong enough to be reliable. So I would, or even a viable third wave. What I call a viable third wave, just that the third should reach the 138% extension. I've learned that over the years, if even in a diagonal, if the third wave doesn't reach that level, they often fail, or they morph, they transform into something different. So this is really what we need to be watching for. But also based on that alternative scenario with the larger wave 4, I can provide another support region, because we could already add the support region for this larger wave 4. Just don't think it's like, my preferred interpretation. Not yet. We haven't even reached it yet. So if that larger 4th is already unfolding, this is likely an A, B, C with one more low in wave C of 4. But again, I'm actually leaning towards the yellow count, in which we should see one more push higher before we start that 4th. But even if that 4th is already unfolding, what often happens if ideal targets are not reached in a third, then the B wave does it. So whether we call that now wave 5 of C of 3, or it's a high B wave, doesn't matter so much in practice. that's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.